Hi everyone, today I will share you another easy and important tip for your weight loss journey. It's none other than Optifast food supplementary drink. I have used vanilla flavor today, and when you drink this you will feel your tummy full for hours. For me, I can skip one main meal with the Optifast shake. It's a very low calorie diet with all minerals and vitamins. This is super easy to make. What you all need is a glass of water that can be hot or chill, and a tablespoon of Milo or chocolate powder, or you just can enjoy the vanilla flavor of the Optifast itself, and a packet of Optifast. Put all your ingredients into the blender, but today I'm going to use the Magic Bullet, which will give me a more creamy shake. This is super creamy, look. Wow. Skip 1 or 2 meals with an Optifast shake and see amazing results after 1 month. It is always slim and beauty you. Thank you for watching.